Now the question is, write the set builder form of A which is equal to 1 comma minus 1. To answer this question, you should have the knowledge of set builder form and roster form of a set. There are two methods of representing a set, roster or tabular form, and second one is set builder form. In roster form, all the elements of a set are listed. The elements are being separated by commas and are enclosed with the braces, and that is flower bracket like this. The set of all vowels in the English alphabet is A, E, I, O, U, and this is the method of representing the set in the roster form. In set builder form, all the elements of a set possess a single common property which is not possessed by any element outside the set. The same set A, E, I, O, U can be written in the set builder form like this. V is equal to X, given that X is a vowel in English alphabet. Write the following set in roster form. A is equal to X, given that X is a prime number which is divisor of 60. In first step, you have to write all the divisors of 60. Divisors of 60 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. Among these divisors, 2, 3 and 5 are prime divisors. Therefore, the set A contains these three elements, that is 2, 3 and 5. Next one is, write the set A is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on in set builder form. We may write the set A as A is equal to X, given that X is the square of a natural number. You can observe all the elements in A are the squares of a natural number, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square and so on. Therefore, you can write A as X, given that X is equal to n square, where n belongs to n. Now come to the question. The question is, write the set builder form of the set A which is equal to 1 and minus 1. Here there are only two elements. And let us check the option one by one. First option is A is equal to X, given that X is a real number. And in the set of real number, there are infinitely many numbers are there. But here there are only two elements, 1 and minus 1, and which cannot be equal to the first option. Therefore, this is wrong. And second option is A is equal to X, given that X is an integer. Here also there are infinitely many elements, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 3, etc. all are there. But in A there are only two elements, 1 and minus 1. Therefore, this option is also wrong. And you come to the third option, A is equal to X, given that X is a root of the equation x square equal to 1. What are the roots of the equation x square equal to 1? That is plus 1 and minus 1. And here there are only two elements, 1 and minus 1. Therefore, this set and this set are equal sets. And that's why this option C is the set builder form of the given set. In the fourth option, there is no real roots for this equation, and therefore this set is an empty set.